Good morning, guys. Such a beautiful morning. Today is Monday, 27th of April 2026. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. And now let's do a recap of what we had on Friday. So, this is what we had on Friday. On Friday, we were looking for potential buys above this level. We got our confirmation here. Before we go to our potential buys, there was an aggressive buy here. I remember telling you guys. Uh, It was very visible here on 15 minutes. This is what we had on 15 minutes. There was this resistance here that was broken. And this is where we got our aggressive entry from when this candle closed above. You see? This candle closed above the level. This candle here closed above this level. Got into our aggressive buy here. This is where we took the buy from. Our target was here, TP2. That which was a risk to reward ratio of 2.7, which is okay. So a stop loss here, took the market up. A stop loss was here. We took the market up. Took the market up to TP2. You see? Once it broke here, my stop loss moved here. You lock in some profits. So this is when we got in. I took another trade here where we had our potential buys. Once this candle closed above the level, I waited to see I waited for the rejection to happen here. You can see this week's. Once the market closed above here, once this candle closed above this previous bearish candle, that was my signal for the buys. So I got into a buy here, took the market up to TP2. Once this candle closed above, once this candle closed above this level here, took the buy here. I placed my buy limit here, and the market TP1 was hit, TP2. Yeah, that's what we had on Friday. So two trades, TP hit, profit hit. So real quick, let's jump into what we have today. We're going to remove everything here. Let's remove everything here. First, look at what we have this week on the calendar. What do you expect this week? Sunday, nothing. Bank holiday. Monday, bank holiday. Nothing much. Tuesday, this is what you're looking at. The monetary policy for JPY, Japanese yen. On Tuesday, so we have nothing affecting the dollar. It's only the Japanese yen. On Wednesday, what do you expect? Nothing affecting the dollar. Only the Australian dollar. Nothing affecting the US dollar. On Wednesday, we have news affecting the USD. That is the federal fund rates, FOMC. That is at 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Thursday, we have news affecting the GBP, the Euro, and the USD. So the only news we are looking out for, let me see on Friday. Friday is a holiday for most banks, I see. Yeah. So, what do you expect this week? Wednesday and Thursday, high impact news on the US dollar. So, keep that in mind. So, real quick, let's jump into the charts. Begin on 1 month. So, a monthly resistance up there. Monthly support down here. Jump down to the weekly. Our weekly support is down here. Our weekly resistance is up here. Jump down to the daily. The daily is where you have to be very careful. That was the last break of structure there. You can see market came all the way, broke that structure, broke the structure there. Lowest point is here. So on the daily, we have our resistance, our support. Our support is down here, and our resistance is up here. And the furthest the market went. So come down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, what do we have? On 4 hours, this is what you're looking at today. And 4 hours, our support is down here. We have our support down here on 4 hours. Our resistance, our 4 hour resistance up here. Jump down to 1 hour. When you come to 1 hour, this is what we have. On 1 hour, still the same point, because these are resistance and our support down here. So when you come down to 30 minutes, 30 minutes, you can see this, we had a support here. Yeah, there's a support, there's that support there. It was broken. The resistance still up there. 15 minutes. Same support. It was broken here. The support was broken here. Resistance still up there. So let's go back to our 30 minutes. Yeah. So this is what I'll do. Let me be quick because so potential buys, potential sales. Yeah. Potential sales below. So this will take the market from short position here. Take it all the way down here, TP1, maybe TP2 and TP3. But first I would want to see the market close below here before we can push it all the way down here. So that is our take profit there. Stop loss just above there. If I were you, I would take this trade right now. Jump into this trade right now, right away. Yeah. Place your buy limit here. Get into the trade. Take it all the way down here. For the buy, for the sell, for that is sells for the buys. For the buys, this is what we have. Targets. The first target is here. Okay. Our target one is there. Target two. A risk to reward ratio of 2. Anything above 2 is okay. I told you that means if you're risking $50, you're risking 50 for 100. That is what it means. So a risk to reward ratio of 2 is very okay. Means you'll be making profits, no losses. So there, that's what you have. Is what will be is the trade we'll be looking at today. Okay, that is what we have for today. Today being a Monday, no high impact news. We don't expect big moves, big spikes in price. So keep your expectations realistic, yeah. And to keep your expectations realistic. This is a trade I'm going to take myself. Let me set it on my phone. I say there's a trade I'm taking myself. There, I'm in the trade. Let's push it to take profit. So this is a take profit one. This is a take profit one. Take profit two. Take profit three if we get the buys. And take profit four. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk manage your trades well. Happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. You can still push this trade down to these levels here. But for me, I would want to see this, this I want to see this gap getting filled first before I can push it all the way down here or up to here. So happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Yeah, you can. Yes, I would want to see the market close below here before I can push it all the way to here. But first, I'll be looking to take my profit here. Okay. So happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Ciao.